G'day, I'm Adam Spencer and welcome to this, the first in a series of 4 videos exploring enterprising partnerships and harnessing the power of technology for Australian business. Today I'm discussing the power of partnership with Telstra Purple and AWS. I'm joined by James and Davinia. How are we both?
Excellent.
Very good. James, what do you do with yourself? What's your job involved?
So I work at Telstra Purple, spending a lot of time with our customers, putting forward solutions and helping them with services, spending time with our internal peeps, and then spending a great amount of time with our great partners like AWS and Davinia particularly.
Davinia, how do you amuse yourself at work?
Good on you, James. My name's Davinia. I am the leader of the Channel and Alliances Group for AWS. I get to spend my time hanging out with awesome partners like Telstra and James also.
It's fun. I was talking to you the other day, you were in the office and you said to me it was almost a bit weird to be there. It had been so long. It's been an incredible 12 months and we've all heard about the rapid uptake of new technologies, companies having to pivot to find new business opportunities, this churn and this change. Into this sort of watershed moment, Telstra Purple and AWS announced this partnership. But as you've said, you're not strangers. You guys have been working together for a while, haven't you?
Absolutely. We're working together for many years. We've got about 170 enterprise and government customers together, so the relationship is really deep. But to be fair, it has been a bit of a refresh to that relationship as we've been building to some of these announcements we've been making. It's been really exciting to actually look ahead. You know, what are we going to do in 5 years from now? And I think that always helps to really reinvigorate what we're doing, and it's a really exciting time.
We talk about it as the fusion of these 2 market-leading brands coming together. On one side, we've got this world-leading cloud technology platform of AWS, and on the other side, this deep domain expertise from Telstra Purple, underpinned by the unrivaled Telstra network. And what that allows us to do collectively is really unlock the power of 5G and edge computing on behalf of our customers across a multitude of industries.
And what is it that AWS brings to this that excites you?
I think the first thing is that cloud-leading capability, you know, just the depth and breadth of capability that AWS bring to the fold, and what the organisation has done over the years is just fantastic. That brings with it the developer community, the partner ecosystem is really important for us delivering services to our customers, that we have that rich ecosystem to work with. And lastly, the culture. I think that customer-first mindset you see in all your engagements with AWS individuals, it really comes through in meetings. They really do hold to account, asking that question, what's in this for the customer? How are we helping the customer? Something that we have in our business as well, and it's something which is a great foundation for the relationship.
Yeah, I think, James, it really hit the nail on the head there with this shared vision around the customer. So we are both obsessed with our customers. We both rally around the customer intent, and we both work collaboratively as a team to develop capabilities and solutions that our customers want and need in a really low-cost, low-risk environment.
And we've got customers who are at varying stages of where they're at with what they're doing in digital transformation. But we ultimately want to help them modernise their infrastructure. And we can do that together through that capability from the Amazon technology, through the Telstra Purple services business, and then also by having a partnership with the customers themselves. Vic Roads is a great example of that, where we coupled those things together, had a really collaborative engagement, so it's allowed them to deliver the benefits to their business that they're doing now.
At the Telstra Purple end, I know that skills are also a big part of the package. What are you looking to achieve there?
Yeah, sure. Look, with a name like Telstra Purple, people are always going to be at the forefront of what we're talking about, and they will be in terms of this partnership as well. We believe it's people that give purpose to technology. That's where the name came from. But we also need to back that up. And what we're backing that up is through the creation of our Centre of Excellence. And we've committed to train 4,000 people by 2025. So it's a big undertaking, but that's going to be really important so we do unlock the potential of the relationship.
OK, give me some examples at a sort of meta level about industries that will be affected by this.
Yeah, there's a few use cases across a multitude of industries we're particularly excited about. And this is really leveraging the high performance speeds and also this ability to process gigantic volumes of data at the edge. And that can impact industries from retail all the way through to manufacturing and the kind of things that we can do in healthcare. And I think about healthcare, I think about the power of processing large volumes of patient data, the ability to use image recognition, leveraging AI and ML to start to look at and anticipate health issues before they even occur. Think about manufacturing and the opportunity we have to process all of that data at the edge, again, leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning to help with quality assurance, help with energy usage, to help with security enhancements and improvements of operational efficiency.
And James, what about the broader Australian digital ecosystem? What's going to change?
It's so exciting hearing the use cases we talk about there. They're ones that we're working on today. They're the ones that we're looking to make a reality for customers. But what we find with technology over the years is once you provide the capability to the customers, they're going to really innovate themselves. They know their business. They know what they need to do. So when we can give them that processing speed at the edge, based on the Telstra network and our 5G network, coupled with the Amazon Web Services edge capability, they're going to unleash a lot of potential there themselves, which is that untold potential that we have at the moment.
Yeah, and we're going to support that with continued investments in Australian infrastructure. And so we've already announced an addition to our infrastructure with a new region in Melbourne that'll be available in the second half of 2022. And that will be in addition to what's already there in our footprint, which is 25 availability zones across 8 AWS regions already in Asia Pacific alone.
So, James, what do you and Telstra Purple hope to achieve?
Well, I think if we take the capability that AWS provides us, we take the Telstra Purple services business, the centre of excellence that we're creating and where we're going to be co-creating and co-innovating together, and then we take the Telstra network and the investments we're making there and bring those things together, that really positions us to be the partner of choice to underpin the Australian digital economy.
And Davinia, how are you feeling right now?
Oh, I think James has pretty much nailed it. But I mean, what a great time for us to come together and make history. I think we have this unrivaled opportunity as Telstra and AWS coming together to really change the way that industries are operating today, revolutionise them and put them on the global stage.
Well, exciting times indeed. James and Davinia, thank you so much for talking to me about the power of partnership.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to check out the other 3 in the series, where we explore how Telstra Purple and AWS coming together to harness the power of 5G, edge, and the cloud will change the game for Australian business.